All right, this is example number 2 of graphing a two-variable inequality. So the first thing we're going to do is graph it like it was an equation. So our y-intercept is -2. So that's right here. That's bad. And our slope, if you recall, was 1/2. So what does that mean? 1/2 means I'm going up 1, right 2 from that starting point. So up 1, right 2. Up 1, right 2. Up 1, right 2. And I'm going to keep going just because we know we're going to be graphing this and we need a very straight line. And I'm also going to go the opposite way. Now this time I might not plot every point as I go. So this time you're going to go down 1, left 2. Okay. So if you remember from the previous video, this is not going to be a solid line when I go to graph. It's going to be a dotted line because of the inequality symbol. Okay. So I'm going to do the best I can to make a dotted line. Probably a little easier for you to take your ruler if you're on paper and make your dotted line. It does get arrows on it because it will continue in both directions. Okay, from those points. All right, so we graphed it, then we decided if it was a solid line or a dotted line, and because it has the less than symbol, it was a dotted line. Okay, the next thing is to test a point. So 0, 0 does not fall in this on this line, so we can test the point 0, 0. So that means y is 0 and x is 0. So 0 is less than 1/2 times 0 is 0. So I'm left with -2. Is 0 less than -2? No. That's false. Okay? So that means 0, 0 does not work as a solution in this inequality. Now, just like I did in the previous one, I'm going to test more than one point just to make sure I didn't make a mistake. So I need to pick a point that's below the line, and I'm just going to pick +1, -4. +1, -4 is test point 2. So that means that -4 is y, and that's less than 1/2 times 1. So that's just 1/2 minus 2. So -4, is that less than -1.5? Yes. So that means 1, -4 makes it true. So that is the side of the line that I'm going to shade on. that's example number 2. Hopefully that helps clarify any questions that you had. Good luck with the work. If you have any questions, feel free to email me.